All right, man. Check your boy out. Bored in a bit, so I just had to write some shit, man. Let me know what y'all think about this shit, though, man. Real talk, I wrote this shit in like 15 minutes. But check me out. I remember being broke. These hoes didn't notice till I put up in that ghost. Now these bitches say I'm chosen. They hopping on my dick and tell they friends that it's golden. Now her friend wanna fucking. If she catching, then I'm throwing. Funny how the money have them going. Only living for the moment. Ain't no telling when I'm going. Blow what's ever in my pocket. Might not wake up in the morning. Cause I know these niggas plotting and they trying to catch me loaded. But even when I'm loaded, you know that 40 loaded. These niggas ain't my homies. Swear they trying to run up on me. Trying to tell me that I'm paranoid. Blame it on the liquor. I ain't tripping, motherfucker. I'm just ready for it, nigga. Making deals with the devil, trying to make it out the ghetto. Now he's somewhere in the corner putting cane in his rello. Couldn't stand the pain, he blew his brains on his bezel. I swear I be thinking on a whole nother level. If I go out, I'ma go out in a motherfucking blaze. Some niggas die from drugs, some niggas die from maze. A nigga like me gon' die trying to get paid. Until I meet God, all a nigga do is pray. You know what I'm saying? Just a little shit I wrote. You know, staring out my window. Everything seems so far away. Trying to make it to the top. Every time I get a slice, somebody got their hand all up in my plate. Dog, this bullshit. But hey, let me know what you think about that verse, though. That bitch bad. Might have to remix the hook or something. Get somebody sing on that bitch for me. But check your boy out. Tricky.